We all live and work and play, go to school in a watershed. And this is one of the most beautiful watersheds in the area. It's Boggy Creek. My name is Paul Bond. I'm a sculptor, an artist, and an environmental educator that was given the good fortune to sculpt the Boggy Creek watershed.
And a watershed is land that drains to a particular body of water, either a creek or a river or a lake.
There's a line in the bronze that I've labeled every few inches, watershed. Everything that's inside that is the Boggy Creek watershed, and water's gonna flow that direction and to Boggy Creek. It's designed to be used hands-on. We encourage students to pour water right on it.
They will put dye on it, and then once they have that dye on there, they can sprinkle water and see how the dye, that is pollution, is picked up in the water as it flows down. And also pools in areas where it might flood.
And the reason for this is to demonstrate the hydrology and physical effect, the activity that humans have on this land, on the quality of the creek and on the river basin.
I would hope that kids would understand that what they do on the land impacts our creeks and river, and that their personal actions make a difference. Oil spilled on your driveway impacts the creek. Or if there's lots of litter, that probably came through the storm drains down into the creek.
My hope for this installation is that it educates thousands and thousands of Austin residents, children and adults, about the importance of protecting the ground we live on. We're not the only ones in these watersheds. We share the watersheds with plants, animals, the whole riparian system. And not only that, everything we do in this watershed, once it leaves the watershed, enters the river basin, affects everyone downstream, all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. So we have a huge responsibility.